Hello students, after the even and odd numbers, our next topic is making greatest and smallest number. What is our topic? Making greatest and smallest number. So let's start. Page number 32. Topic is making of greatest and smallest number. Firstly, we started from greater number. In order to make greatest number of 4 digits, we arrange the digits in descending order. Here, in order to make greatest number of 4 digits, we arrange the digits in descending order. Okay? Let's take an example. Question is make greatest number of 4 digits using the digits 4, 2, 8 and 6. Given number is 4, 2, 8 and 6. Here is question. Now here we arrange the digits in descending order. For what? For making greatest number. Okay. First point is arrange the digit in descending order. So here number is 4, 2, 8, 6. Here greater number is 8. After that 6, then 4, and lastly the smallest number is 2. Here number will be arranged in descending order. So the greatest number of 4 digits is what? 8642. Here is the number 8642. Clear? Greatest number is clear. In order to make greatest number of 4 digits, we arrange the digit in descending order. Here given question is 4 digit numbers 4, 2, 8 and 6. Firstly, we arrange the digit in descending order. Here we arranged and the greatest number will be 8642. After the greater number, we talk about smallest number. We talk about smallest number. Okay? Here we see if we arrange the digits in descending order, we get greater number. And here if we arrange the digits in ascending order, we get the smallest number. Clear? Here we arrange the digits in descending order for getting greater number, and if we arrange the digits in ascending order we get the smallest number. Okay, let's example. Make smallest number of 4 digits using the digits 6, 2, 1 and 3. Here given number is 6213. Okay, now firstly arrange the digits in ascending order. Okay, firstly arrange the digits in ascending order. Your digit is 6213. Here ascending order, in ascending order, smallest to greatest. Okay, and for descending order we going to largest to smallest. Okay, here smallest to greatest. Here some now 6213. Okay, here smallest number is 1, after that 2, then 3, then 6. Okay, symbol of greater. Okay, now the smallest number of 4 digits is 1, 2, 3 and 6, means 1236. Okay, clear? Take another example. Make a smallest 4-digit number using the digits 1, 0, 9 and 7. Okay, firstly here in 4-digit number, here a digit is 0. To make a 4-digit number, when one of the digit is 0, we never start a number with 0. Okay, if one digit, listen carefully, to make a 4-digit number, here I am going to write here, to make a 4-digit number, if number when one of the digit is 0, we never start a number with 0. Okay, here 0, we never start with 0. Then smallest number is 1. Okay, so next smallest digit is 1. Next smallest digit is 1. That's why the smallest number of 4 digit is with what? 1, 0, 7 and 9. Okay, means 1079. Clear? Always remember, to make a 4 digit number when one of the digit is 0, we never start a number with 0. Here, if you want to start it with this, then you wrong. Okay, here 1 is the smallest, then after that 7 is the smallest, and then 9. Okay, here some exercise, some questions for you. Make 4 different number with the given digit for each of the following. Make the greatest number of 4 digits using the given digits. Here, for making greatest number, we arrange the numbers in descending order, and make the smallest number of 4 digit number using the given digit. Then we arrange the numbers in ascending order. So students, complete your exercise. Today's class is over. Next we started Roman numerals.